We know what you may be thinking. Installing a new toilet seems like a lot of work. But with the Gerber ReadySet Bowl installation kit, it's an easy ride from start to finish. To get started, ensure you have all the parts, which include 2 standard star bolts, 2 deep recess star bolts, 2 flat caps, and 2 blue installation guides. You will also need a wax ring. Check your toilet's packaging to see if one's included. Additionally, you may also find a rag, plastic leveling shims, and a screwdriver necessary. Ready? Set? Let's go! First, be sure the toilet flange has been cleared of any old wax and debris from the previous toilet installation to ensure a good seal. Insert the 2 T-nuts along with the tall blue installation guides into the slots on the flange and slide them into position. You'll want them parallel to the back wall. They are designed with enough tension to hold the guides firmly in place, so it may require slight effort to insert them. If a rag is in place to block sewer gas, remove it at this time. Follow the installation instructions to place the wax ring on the flange. Carefully move the toilet over the blue installation guides and lower it slowly onto the flange. Keep the bowl level to create a tight, even seal. Then, use your body weight to press the toilet down until it rests firmly on the floor. Remove the blue installation guides. With your hands, screw the standard star bolts, which are the shorter pair, into position. But don't tighten them just yet. Okay, you're in the final lap. Let's put the pedal to the metal. Once the tank is installed per the instructions, tighten the star bolts at the toilet's base, securing it to the floor. Alternate sides to make sure the pressure is even. All that's left now is a straightaway to the finish line. Install the flat caps by placing them over the bolt heads, pressing down firmly. These flat caps are the real prize. They look super sleek and are very easy to clean compared to standard bolt caps. And there it is, the checkered flag. 3 cheers to an easy install and your good-looking toilet. Thanks for choosing Gerber.